What I most of the time start with, so I start my workshops with who is your product or service actually for, so the audience. And then we start with the segments or personas, and that's a checklist. I don't always ask all of these attributes, but it's a good checklist to see what actually could have an impact on marketing strategies and communications. So basic demographics, of course, and geographics, but also how are people in the target audience actually thinking, behaving, what is their relationship with the brand? Is there already one or is there not? Do we need to build it from scratch? What are they interested in? And that doesn't have to be related to the product or brand completely. It can be a very broad topic. So, for example, if we discover that everyone in our target audience really loves football, then I would consider sponsoring a football team. So that's something where you can discuss broadly. You don't always have to stay within the realm of your business.